Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Honda CBR1000RR. This superbike just arrived with only 28,000 miles. Really cool bike. It's got the double bubble windscreen, smoked, CRG levelers. Wait till you hear that Tochi exhaust, fender eliminator, brand new tires, beautiful condition. Come on by and make your superbike dreams come true with this awesome CBR1000RR, only $12,999. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock.